Okay, welcome to this video 2.7 guys, operations on decimals. Particularly, we're going to be looking today at division. Okay, so our learning goal is that students are able to solve problems involving percentages and all four operations with fractions and decimals. And by the end of this video and your exercises, you should be able to correctly perform the division algorithm on decimal numbers. Okay, dividing with decimals. So here's our number one thing. So we need to be careful. Well, let's remember that we have it's dividend divided by the divisor equals the quotient. Okay, so that's how we work with our division stuff. This one here is called the dividend. This one's the divisor. This one's the quotient. And dividing with decimals is only a big issue is that our divisor must be a whole number to be able to make it life very easy for us and to be able to just apply the division algorithm as normal. Okay, so there's a couple of cases for us to consider as we've talked about. So the first one is that when our divisor is a whole number. Okay, so as you can see here, this number here is a decimal number, this one's a whole number, right? Because the divisor, this one here, is a whole number, we're able to sort of go on as normal. So if it's the case, the divisor is a whole number, we just set up our algorithm as normal. So we're going to have 46.8 divided by 4, and the decimal, wherever the decimal point is down here, it's at the same place up here. Okay, with our division algorithm. Okay, so 4 into 4 goes once, 4 into 6 goes once, remainder 2, 4 into 28 goes 7 times, done. Okay, so if the divisor is a whole number, set it up as the algorithm as normal, and then get into it. Okay, really when you're doing this kind of stuff, it's probably a good idea to show then that 46.8 divided by 4 is equal to 11.7. Okay, right, so it's okay for the quotient, why am I pointing at the screen? It's okay for the quotient here to be a decimal number as long as the divisor is not. Okay, so if the divisor has decimal places, there's something we need to do. So first, we must multiply dividend and divisor by powers of 10 until divisor is whole. Okay, until the divisor is a whole number. All right, now this kind of works because remember that division is kind of like fraction, in that I could rewrite this as 6.4 over 0.05. Okay, I could rewrite it like that. And so this is kind of makes sense that if 6.4 over 0.05, if I wanted this 0.05 to be a whole number, I'd have to multiply it by, if I wanted the decimal point to be down here instead, it's going to have to jump 2 spots, so it's going to have to be multiplied by 100. So if I multiply both the top of this fraction, so the dividend and the divisor, by 100, I'm going to get 6,400, whoops, too many zeros, 640 over 5. Okay, so that means our new division that we're going to be carrying out is 640 divided by 5. So now our divisor here is a whole number, so we can go ahead with it. Okay, if that's the case, we're just going to set it up in our division algorithm as normal. 640 divided by 5. 5 into 6 is 1, remainder 1, 5 into 14, we have 2, remainder 4, 5 into 40, we have 8, done. Okay, so that's our important thing. When we're dividing and there are decimals involved, we just need to be careful that when we've looking at the divisor, that it has to be a whole number. And then you can modify it, create our equivalent fractions or equivalent operations so that you're going to be able to carry it out. All right. So you can actually rewrite this. You can even use the stuff from the very start to say that, well, 6.4 divided by 0.05 is equal to 128. Okay, now that might look weird, but remember, when we're dividing, it means how many 0.05s are there in 6.4? Well, there's 128 of them. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video, and please come and see me in class if you didn't get any of that, because I'm more than happy to explain that again to you. Okay, thanks, have a good day.